Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So let's get started. Creating a digital planner to sell on Etsy can be very easy method, especially if you have design skills and knowledge of popular productivity tools like Canva. So here we will give you a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to make a digital planner using Canva with intention of selling it on Etsy. Before diving into design, research popular digital planner styles and layouts on Etsy to understand what sells well and what customers are looking for. Determine your target audience and the specific features and sections you want to include in your digital planner. Then, simply go to the Canva. If you don't already have one Canva account, then sign up for the account. Canva offers both free and paid subscription plans for you can create a digital planner with the free plan. So, open Canva and type digital planner on the search bar available on your screen. After that, simply search for it, and here you can see a various amount of different designed digital planner or daily planner template available. You can choose any of them according to your preferences here, and you can even choose one and customize it according to your preferences. Again, if you want to customize it, tap on the customize the template, and here you can edit anything according to you. Use Canva's drag and drop interface to add text, images, shapes, and icons to your planner pieces. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding or desired aesthetic as well. And by following these steps, you can create and sell a digital planner on Etsy using Canva, even as a beginner. Keep experimenting with different designs and features to find what resonates best with the targeted audience and refine your product based on customer feedback. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.